Waheguru. Om Shiv. Jai Mahakal. There you are. Om Vaheguru. Satnam Shivaheguru. Shivaheguru ji ka Khalsa. Shivaheguru ji ki Fateh. So, Cave Yogi Vinodanand. Cave Yogi Vinodanand. Oh, Gurudwara Gursagar Sahib near Sukhna Lake, Chandigarh. Welcome. Way to moksha. This is a way to samadhi, way to self-enfoldment, way to reform ourselves. Reformer, reform thyself. It's all God everywhere. Let's introspect ourselves, where we are. So here, enjoy. Yeah, by the way, my introduction, Cave Yogi Vinodanand, solar-powered humans from California. Now I'm in India, born in India. Mera Bharat Mahan, from Indian Army, to imbibe confidence in you. Ye hai Kaya Kalpa. It's the first step for Kaya Kalpa. Kaya Kalpa means to rejuvenate yourself, and a man can live up to hundreds of years. So yogis go in the caves, and this is one of the steps to rejuvenate your body, Kaya Kalp. After 180 years, or some say after 80 years, we go in the caves, number of practices, and we go ageless. So I'll talk to you, just enjoy the sunset at Gurudwara Gursagar Sahib. Marvelous. This is something really marvelous, see the sunset. Wow. You're most welcome. You can hear the gallopings. You can hear the gallopings of the horses in the night. As I was practicing headstand now, it's nothing like this at sunrise and so sunset. So I was talking about your Kaya Kalpa. Oh, by the way, here is an old age home, Kartar Asra old age home, with the blessings, with the efforts of Biba Charan Kamalji and his, Baba Pritpal Singh ji, his husband. They have created this wonderful place. So here, God brings me here. Now it's my abode for some time, could be years. So I was talking about Kaya Kalpa. So Kaya Kalpa, again, the one thing, before I explain you about Kaya Kalpa, Vivek Rinpoche from California. His English name, Brett Carr. We are solar-powered humans. He's the creator of Dark Retreat. Without being victorious on your senses, all is rubbish, all talks. So here, Kaya Kalpa means to live hundreds of years and lineage, Devaraha Baba. He's known as Ageless Baba. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Pandit Motilal Nehru, and Indira Gandhi even also used to take blessings from him. So he's a living example. And so here, first step for Kaya Kalpa, headstand for us together to go in Samadhi. So here I invite you, Gurudwara Gursagar Sahib, and again, don't cripple yoga. 8 limbs, yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahar, dharana, dhyan, Samadhi. If you directly jump to, very, Samadhi Kriya, or to get rid of depression, anxiety, it's not possible. If you want to go in space, you will have to become an astronaut. Being a bullock cart driver, you simply cannot think of reaching the moon. So this is self-transformation, and be a yogi. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I love, strive for the best, Shakespeare. This is your Dhrityaya dharite manah pranendriya kriyaha yogena vyabhicharanya Dhritiya sah parth satviki. Shri Bhagavan Krishna Gita, very, very scientific. Nothing to do with any particular religion or caste or creed. Purely science. So, go in for that here. Welcome to Gurudwara Gursagar Sahib. See, enjoy. Yeah, it's dawn and dusk. These are the most precious times when the Shushmana is open. Shushmana is a channel of knowledge. Every human being is a gift from the Mother Goddess. So it's a message to the Western world. And Americans especially, I owe a lot to America. because Mr. Betkar, who is Buddhist monk, oh, he's a marvelous yogi master, all the things, all the Hatha Yoga practices, Vajralaya, Khechari, Samadhi experienced already, induced automatic Khechari in many of his devotees in dark retreat. So here, it's a message of gratitude. So come join, strive for the best. Selected few we invite here, no mob mentality, no ailing personality. We invite you for Samadhi. Anyway, we'll help you to get rid of all the diseases, go Videhi. No mere talks, you know. We need people here, selected, but we'll help. Our yoga tigers have already started landing. Listen to the chirping of the birds, and now the crowing of peacocks will just start now. This music, the Mother Nature. How Mother Nature is conducive here for your Samadhi. So as I was in headstand, this is to be practiced for us together and observing celibacy. So, most welcome, solar powered humans. Oh, Betkar, I'm Buddhist monk Vek Rinpoche. So, it's all with his blessings and Baba Pritpal ji, Baba Charan Kamal ji. So, it's all here. It's a philanthropic mission. No money. As sun gives it light, life, sun. Oh, so it never asks for any money from anybody. Oh, so, Jai Mahakal, most welcome, go ageless, Devraha Baba lineage. As here, Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Oh, go to the history, turn over the pages of history. He sacrificed his whole family for the humanity, to save those who were the preachers. We went to him for requesting to save them. They were Brahmins from Kashmir. So it's a big thing, but no sacrifice you have to learn. So this place is fully charged with the vibes. Come here, you hear the galloping of the horses. The moment you enter, you are charged with the lionly qualities. Be a Singh, be a king. Be brave, valor, fortitude, sacrifice. No drooping heads and doing Samadhi, all bloody drama, stop it. Be like this. Remember the COVID days. Remember the COVID days. How the Sikh brothers helped organizing langars, cremating dead bodies. The victims of COVID. Do you remember? Can you recollect how they were cremating at Nigambore, Delhi? The persons, the bodies of our own blood relations. We were afraid to, we were scared to even touch them, go closer to them. So here is a message of gratitude to the Sikh Panth. So most welcome to Gurudwara Gursahib Sahib to enjoy Samadhi, valor. दसाना होंदी करत कमाई चले आओ सतनाम शिवाय गुरु शिवाय जी का खालसा शिवाय गुरु जी की फतेह पंजाबी बोलो हिंदी बोलो अंग्रेजी बोलो लोगों को समझाने लई पर अपना लैंग्वेज ना भुलो अपना पंजाबी विरसा ना भुलो सतनाम शिवाय गुरु जी का खालसा शिवाय गुरु जी की फतेह see the charge of this place is in me now roaring like tigers here brother